Hello students, good morning. Now I'm going to explain you trigonometry 8 topic. In this, I'll explain sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, tan 3 theta and cot 3 theta derivations. Now let us go to find first sin 3 theta value. Sin 3 theta can be written as sin of 2 theta plus theta. Now it is in the form of the compound angle sin of a plus b. So what is the formula to find sin of a plus b? I explained you in previous classes. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. By using that formula, we can write this as sin 2 theta into cos theta plus cos 2 theta into sin theta. Now again, yesterday I explained you sin 2 theta value. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta into cos theta. Sin 2 theta value is 2 sin theta into cos theta into replace this cos theta plus. Now what is cos 2 theta value? Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta into sin theta. So cos 2 theta value I am replacing 1 minus 2 sin square theta. In terms of sin only I am replacing into the sin theta you keep as it is. Now we will get here 2 sin theta into cos theta can be written as cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta plus now open bracket by multiplying with sin theta. 1 into sin theta minus 2 sin square theta into sin theta means 2 sin cube theta. Now each and every term is in sin in terms of sin but only cos square theta is there. By using identity we can write cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. So we can write this as 2 sin theta into 1 minus sin square theta plus sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. Now we will get here, open this bracket by multiplying with 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta into 1, 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta into sin square theta minus 2 sin cube theta plus sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. Now you observe here 2 sin theta plus sin theta means 1 sin theta. 2 sin theta plus 1 sin theta becomes 3 sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta into minus 2 sin cube theta. Both are of same like terms. So we can add minus 2 becomes minus 4 sin cube theta. Therefore sin 3 theta value is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Now let us find the formula to find cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta can be written as cos 2 theta plus theta. Now again it is in the form of the compound angle cos of a plus b. So what is formula for cos of a plus b? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. By using that compound angle formula we can write this as cos 2 theta into cos theta minus cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Sin 2 theta into sin theta. Sin theta. Now we have to convert each and every term in terms of only cos. Now here cos 2 theta is there. Cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1 into cos theta minus sin 2 theta. Again sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta into cos theta into sin theta. Write sin theta as it is. Now I'll get here 2 cos square theta into cos theta is 2 cos cube theta minus 1 into cos theta is minus cos theta minus 2 sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta 2 sin square theta into cos theta. Now again sin square theta convert in terms of cos. Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So you write these terms as it is 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta minus 2 into sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta into cos theta. Now open this bracket by using to multiply with minus 2 into cos theta. Now I will get here 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta minus 2 cos theta into 1 is minus 2 cos theta minus into minus plus 2 cos theta into cos square theta is 2 cos cube theta. Now we will get here, you observe 2 cos cube theta plus 2 cos cube theta becomes 4 cos cube theta. Now minus 1 cos theta minus 2 cos theta becomes minus 3 cos theta. So this is the formula to find cos 3 theta. Now let us find the value for tan 3 theta. Now as it is, as I told you, tan 3 theta can be written as tan of theta plus 2 theta. So it is in the form of tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. By using the compound angle formula, we can write this as tan theta plus tan a plus tan b, tan theta plus tan 2 theta divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b, tan theta into tan 2 theta. So yesterday I explained you what is tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta formula is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Tan theta plus tan 2 theta divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta. As I told you, tan 2 theta value is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Replace this value in terms of tan 2 theta. Now I will get here tan theta plus tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta whole divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta, again 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta is, again I told you, 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Replace the value 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Now we can take LCM here. So tan theta means tan theta by 1. Now in numerator, if you will take LCM of the numerators, for 1 and 1 minus tan square theta, LCM is 1 minus tan square theta only. Now 1 in 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta times will go 1 minus tan square theta into numerator tan theta. So we'll get here tan theta into 1 minus tan square theta plus 1 minus tan square theta in 1 minus tan square theta, it will go one time, only 1 into numerator. So 1 into 2 tan theta is 2 tan theta divided by, again here the denominator part also you take LCM. For 1 and 1 minus tan square theta, LCM is 1 minus tan square theta only. Now see, 1 in 1 minus tan square theta, it will go 1 minus tan square theta. This into numerator 1 is, will get 1 minus tan square theta minus 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta, it will go one time. 1 into tan theta into 2 tan theta is 2 tan square theta. 2 tan square theta. Now you observe the denominators are same. You can cancel these denominators. Now open this bracket here. The numerator part will get, this is equal to tan theta into 1 is tan theta into 1 is tan theta minus tan theta into tan square theta is tan cube theta plus 2 tan theta divided by the denominator 1 minus 1 tan square theta minus 2 tan square theta becomes minus 3 tan square theta. We'll get here 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now you observe the numerators and simplify. We will get here tan theta plus 2 tan theta is 3 tan theta. We'll get here 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by denominator is 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So this is the value to find tan 3 theta. Similarly, cot 3 theta can be written as cot 3 theta is equal to cot of theta plus 2 theta. Now it is in the form of cot of a plus b. So what is the formula to find cot of a plus b? Cot a into cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b. So by using this formula, in place of a there is theta, in place of b there is 2 theta. Cot a into cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b. Now what is cot 2 theta value? Yesterday I explained you what is cot 2 theta. So cot 2 theta is nothing but cot theta into cot 2 theta cot square a or cot square theta minus 1 by 2 cot theta. So replace the value of cot 2 theta minus 1 divided by the denominator is cot theta plus again cot 2 theta value is cot square theta minus 1 by 2 cot theta. Replace the value cot square theta minus 1 by 2 cot theta. Now we will get here, you observe here, take LCM first, take LCM of the denominators, we will get here cot theta, or we can cut here cot theta. Here cot theta and cot theta will get cancelled. We will get here cot square theta minus 1, cot square theta minus 1 by here 2 will left minus 1 minus 1 divided by, here you take LCM of the denominators, we will get LCM for 1 and 2 cot theta is 2 cot theta, and 1 in 2 cot theta times will go 2 cot theta into cot theta is 2 cot square theta, plus 2 cot theta into cot theta one time will go, 1 into numerator we will get cot square theta minus 1. Now you observe the numerator, we will get by taking LCM for the numerator, we will get here the LCM for 1 and 2 is LCM is 2, we will get 2 into one time will go, 1 into cot square theta minus 1 is, that only will come, minus 1 into 2 times will go, 2 ones are 2 divided by 2 cot square theta plus cot square theta is 3 cot square theta minus 1 divided by 2 cot theta. Now the denominators 2 will get cancelled. Now I will get here numerator cot square theta minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Now the denominator become its reciprocal into cot theta divided by 3 cot square theta minus 1. Now by multiplying the numerator with cot theta, we will get to cot square theta into cot theta is cot cube theta minus 3 into cot theta is 3 cot theta divided by 3 cot square theta minus 1. 3 cot square theta minus 1. So this is the value of cot 3 theta. So what is the value for cot 3 theta? Cot 3 theta is cot cube theta minus 3 cot theta divided by 3 cot theta minus 1. Students, I'll stop this class here. In this class we have completed sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, tan and cot 3 theta values. So if you like, please like and share my class and subscribe my channel. Thank you.